really quick stop to arrive in the hopper. The Apache has 4 weapon stations on its pylons. The aircraft can be fitted with either CRV-7 rocket pods, Hellfire missile launchers, or external fuel tanks. As you can see today, the gunship have opted for a mixture of rockets and missile launchers. Each rocket pod houses up to 19 rockets, and the missile launchers can carry 4 missiles each. Both rockets and missiles can be fired out to ranges of up to 8 kilometers, while the powerful M230 cannon can fire out to a staggering 4,200 meters. As you watch the Apache move from right to left, you can see the helicopter's amazing hover performance. The 2 engines each produce 2,300 shaft horsepower, giving the Apache more power than 4 Formula 1 race cars. The pilots are aided with a helmet monocle which is mounted on their helmets. This displays important flight information to the pilot whilst allowing them to keep their eyes out the window. Now look to the top of the helicopter. You can see its fire control radar, the dome on the top, above the rotor blades. The radar is able to scan out to 8 kilometers and detect up to 1,024 targets. It prioritizes them and provides 16 simultaneous firing solutions through the aircraft's weapons processors. The radar is not only used to find targets and provide weapon guidance, it can also be used in a setting called terrain profile mode, which maps out the ground to help navigate very